Hi you all, this is Jamaican Beauty. Today I'm going to show you another tumbler that I made that I'm proud of. I made this for my baby and it's just a black Barbie just to celebrate. I want her to continue to celebrate who she is, love herself from her hair, her eyes, just everything about herself, and to know that we love her and we value her, and to continue to motivate her and constantly to tell her affirmations that she's smart, that she's beautiful, and she's strong. When I made this picture, she's like, is that me? Do I look pretty? I was like, I love you. You are beautiful. You are my black Barbie. So I'm going to show you all how I made my tumbler. And, of course, you guys will do your own thing and razzle it up. But this is the steps to how I made mine. So if you're interested, stay tuned. We're going to start off by applying the Barbie to the lid, and I'm using super glue, as you can see, and my hot glue gun. Oh my gosh, so my husband's in the background saying, I don't know about this one, but he definitely has to trust the process. We're going to use some epoxy, and we're going to mix part A and part B together. Make sure you mix it well, get it as clear as you can. And then I'm making sure I'm using it on the little doll image on the lid because I'm hoping that it'll help coat it and make it waterproof, especially when you wash it. You don't want it to look all gunky and nasty. So I stirred it for a minimum of 5 minutes. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer just to kind of get it a little warmer and smoother and to get some of those bubbles out. So after cutting your sublimation sheet and getting it down to size, you're going to make sure that it's nice and tight as you put on your heat tape. As you can see, I'm not using my heat tape dispenser. It's upstairs and I'm feeling lazy. I don't feel like going to get it, but it will definitely make your life much easier. And I'm going to include the link in the description below for all the products I use, including the heat tape dispenser. So while I'm working on that tumbler, I'm going to preheat my oven to 365. We're going to do about 3 minutes and rotate it in between about at 150, kind of rotate it. So now I'm going to use my shrink wrap. As you can see, I still have not purchased a heat gun, which would have been great. I'm still using a blow dryer for the time being, but it's serving its purpose for now, so. Again, as a reminder, please make sure you rotate it. I feel like that definitely has helped me with when I'm baking my tumblers. I'm loving how it turned out. As always, please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone, and happy crafting.